Once you are logged in and have purchased some tokens, signing up for classes is very easy. There are a couple of ways that you could do that. When you come to the main page, you'll see all of the different titles that are available. If you decided, say you wanted the part one webinar, you would click on the title and scroll down to where it says events. This will list all of the upcoming showings of that particular webinar. You would click on the particular showing and you'll get this page. It'll tell you how many tokens you have here. Simply click apply your tokens, then confirm. You have confirmation that you are enrolled successfully. You don't have to do anything until this countdown goes to 0, and then the event will begin automatically. You can also go into, click on the events button up at the top of the page, and that will list all of both the live and webinar courses chronologically. If you want to take it, go into and sign up for it that way, click on the title, click on enrolled, and again, apply your tokens and confirm. You are enrolled successfully. You are enrolled. You don't have to do anything until the event starts, and it will begin automatically.